In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple accounts in Yahoo Mail. First, open your web browser and head to the Yahoo Mail login page. Sign in using your primary Yahoo Mail account. This primary account will act as your central hub, letting you check and organize messages from other email addresses in one place. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right corner for the gear icon, which opens Settings. Click it, then choose More Settings from the drop-down. This takes you to the area where Yahoo lets you control advanced options for your mailbox. On the left side, find the Mailbox List section. This is where link accounts appear. Click Add Mailbox, and you'll be prompted to choose the type of account you want to connect, such as Yahoo, Gmail, or Outlook. Pick the service that matches the account you're adding so the connection uses the right sign-in method. Next, enter the email address of the account you want to add and click Next. A pop-up will appear asking for the email and password of that account so Yahoo Mail can link it. This authorization window may come directly from the provider and is the standard way to grant secure access. Enter the credentials and confirm or allow access as prompted. Only use your own accounts, and never share your passwords with anyone. After authorization, assign a name or description to the new mailbox. This label helps you tell accounts apart at a glance. Choose something meaningful to you, like a role or purpose, so it's easy to recognize in the sidebar. If you want to bring in more addresses, simply repeat those same steps. Add each account one at a time, and keep in mind that you can link up to 10 accounts to a single Yahoo Mail interface. Now that they're connected, you can manage everything from your primary Yahoo inbox. Each mailbox will appear in your list, letting you read and organize messages without switching apps or tabs. This central view is great for separating work, personal, and project inboxes while keeping your day streamlined. When you want to switch which account you're viewing, click your profile image at the top right and select the account you want to access. That quick toggle lets you move between accounts efficiently while staying inside the same Yahoo Mail session. That's it. You've added your accounts, labeled them clearly, and learned how to switch between them and manage them all in one place. If you need more, repeat the process until you have everything set up to the limit of 10 link accounts.